Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a different setting today. I'm actually staying with my boyfriend at his house for a bit. So I thought I'd come on here and do a unboxing for you guys because I haven't really done much of unboxings in a while. I had pre-filmed a couple of hauls that I did like January, February-ish, but we are now at the end of March, early April, and stuck inside, so I did some online shopping. I don't know what to say, it just happened. So I have 3 boxes here. I'm going to go through what it is I purchased, and note, they were all purchased by myself, so, you know, I didn't get any PR or anything. I think this is I ended up buying stuff from Skinz, which is Kim Kardashian's shapewear line. Oh look, see? Skinz. Look at how it comes. So I purchased a satin set from her last month, I think it was. And it was a thong and like a bralette type of thing without an underwire, and it was really good. I really liked it. So I ended up wanting to try her next collection she released. What are they? What are these? Let me just double check. Fits Everybody Scoop and Neck bralette and then thong. So I did 2 different colors, which honestly they look pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. They're close. They're close. So I bought 2 thongs in different colors, one in sienna, one in ochre. Honestly, I really enjoyed the stuff that I purchased from her so far when it comes to underwear. And what size are these? These are an extra large. These are an extra large, you guys. So I'm actually really excited to try these because, like, I bought even the bodysuit from her. That's the plunge neck one. That came out a couple weeks ago, and like honestly I haven't had a place to actually wear it because we're all at home. But I feel like I could wear it under a dress or like a tight-fitting dress that kind of hides my bumps and lumps, you know. But I like these because they're actually quite soft, and I feel the material is actually quite nice, and I haven't had an issue with her clothing products. I haven't really made any purchases of hers in makeup, only because I feel like her sister Kylie does a little bit of a better job with makeup than she does when it comes to production. So I kind of didn't want to waste my money on the KKW line, KK Beauty. So I ended up holding off, and then as she started coming out with this shapewear stuff, I started to get more and more intrigued because they fly off the shelves, you guys. They fly off the shelves. So I figure if they're flying off the shelves, maybe they're actually quite good. So I'm really excited because I like to place one more order when her what is it called? Is it shapewear? Sculpting shapewear goes back into stock, because there's a few things I want to get there. Here is the bra. These are an extra large, by the way, and they feel like they are quite stretchy, and I'm actually really excited. I'm going to wear these this week. If you hear anybody in the background, it's my brother-in-law playing video games with one of his buddies, are on the video game earpiece, and he's talking into that earpiece, so he gets really loud sometimes. So this is what I think this is what ochre is. Sienna is a little bit darker, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, they're really pretty. I don't know why. Like, they're very slight in shade. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. It's kind of hard to tell really in the sunlight, but they are slight in shade, which I don't mind because they both really fit my tan skin. So ochre and sienna are actually pretty damn close to what my tan skin looks like, which is freaking awesome. Speaking of tan skin, I'm not going tanning anymore because can't leave the house. So I'm having a self-tan now, which is quite interesting. And then here is, oh, does it even say on here what it is? Just so you guys know, these are made in Thailand. Didn't even know that. And here's the other one. It's the same style bralette, just in a different shade. I bought 2 of them, 1 of each color. So I find these are really comfortable for around the house and whatnot. And they don't have any padding, so your nipples will probably show, which I don't mind when I'm at the beau's house, because let's be real here, when we move in together, he's going to see my nipples anyways, but that's a whole other story. But what I'm trying to say is, like, in the comfort of your own home, I don't mind it. I just, when I'm at my parents' house, it's a little bit weird. Okay, so those were the items I picked up at Skinz, and honestly, I will probably make another order at Skinz in the near future. I just don't know when. And they are not cheap. They are not cheap. So a little rundown on Skinz in general. Yes, Kim Kardashian owns the company. Yes, I'm fully aware of that. They ship quite fast, which I would assume so, because their shipping is hella expensive. Like, I'm saying $30 for shipping. So normally I don't usually make a purchase unless I'm buying quite a few things to make the shipping worth it. But I probably will make another purchase down the road and buy a few more items that I really want to invest in. And for me, I think the shapewear and these products are an investment of sorts, because you have to be careful with the fabric that you're using, especially on your underwears. Like, this feels like breathable material, but there's some underwears that I've used in the past from other brands that are not so breathable, and you can really damage your cha-cha. Like, and I'm talking about, you can, you know, end up having smelly discharge, or you can get a yeast infection because your cha-cha is not able to breathe. So for those of you who are interested in investments on your undergarments, Skinz is a pretty decent option. I mean, for those of you who are in the States, it's probably more affordable for you, because your shipping is, I think, free shipping over $75 or something like that. But if you are international, like I am in Canada, shipping is a pain in the ass. It's like 30 something bucks. So if you're going to make the plunge, I would just say make sure you buy a few things so that you make the shipment worth it, because shipping is quite pricey. Okay, so I'm going to go into my next box. I have 2 boxes from Sephora, because let's be real here, I really got bored 2 separate days and decided to go on a Sephora binge, which I shouldn't have done, but I did anyways. That's what happens when you're bored. Let's be real. Okay, so remember I told you about tanning? Well, I had to stock up on my tanning supplies. So I ended up picking up the St.Tropez Bronzing Mousse Self Tan Extra Dark. This is new. I have not tried this one. The one that I do have in my overnight bag is the Self Tanning by St.Tropez, what is it called? Express Tan. So it's like 1 hour you get a light color, 2 hours medium, 3 hours dark, and then you can rinse after 3 hours. So I'm excited to try this. I haven't, I'm not going to bust it open just yet. I want to finish my Express Tan one first, and I probably will be doing another self tan round this week, since hell, we're not leaving the house, so might as well. But I did pick that up, and I did get 2 mitts from them. These are hella pricey. These are $19 a piece, and they are freaking expensive. Freaking expensive. And then I also wanted to try the Tarte one, the Tarte tanning one. So what I might do is I'm probably going to leave this one here at the beau's house, and that way I have one at my house and then one here. And it comes with a really nice luxurious mitt, which is pretty cool. But I'm not going to use that one just yet, but I will in the future, just because, let's be real here, we need some sort of tanning material since we have to stay at home now. And then, oh yes, I did get a Morphe brush. This is the under eye brush. Under eye bullet brush. It's actually not bad in price. I think it was like $5 or $6, and this is what the brush looks like. So you just kind of dab it in powder. Dab, 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 dab. That's what I like it for. So I got one of those. And then I ended up getting a bonus ice by Sunday Riley Ice Cream. What's it called? Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. So there is that. Now my next one. Let's open up the next box. It's a little bit of a smaller box. Let's see now. Oh yeah, this one I think I only did one order. I ended up picking up the Murad Clear the Way set. So it comes with, that's what it looks like. Sorry guys, I'm sitting in the most awkward position right now. Comes with a full size of Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser, which I do have one at my other house. And then, which I'm gonna keep here. And then it comes with some travel size products. This is the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment, which I'd be interested to know how to use that. And then the Skin Perfecting Lotion. You need to use the lotion with a sunscreen, so probably like a nighttime type of thing I would use this for. And then I got some samples. Got some samples here. This is the Youth to the People Moisture Cream, and then I've got the Pharmacy Hydrating Mask, and then I have the Give Me Brow. There's like two different, I think what I might do is I might put this in a giveaway. Because the Give Me Brow, is it a pomade? Maybe not. I'm just going to open it up just to see. Oh no, it's like a one-time use situation. I've had the Give Me Brow, it's really good. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I've already tried this, so we will give that away to somebody. But yeah, that was pretty much it. That's all I picked up for now. We'll see. I'm quite lucky I get to work from home, so my paycheck is quite steady during this whole global pandemic. I don't know how long that will last, but the company I work for is an essential company that needs to stay open, so we will essentially remain open, so hopefully I still am able to work through this hard time. That was all I had, you guys. I didn't really have anything else to show. I just thought I'd do an unboxing because I feel like we're all stuck at home. We're all trying to do our best to stay busy. Sometimes we need a distraction, so here's my distraction to help you guys out because I know I always go on YouTube for distractions as well. Yeah. Sorry, my upper eyelid is so itchy. I've been having contact dermatitis up here, and I've been trying to use my CeraVe eye cream to help it, but I need to use some cortisone cream too. I just haven't had a chance to dig it out of my bag. How are you guys doing? Like, are you guys doing okay? I hope you guys are, you know, managing and able to stay busy throughout each day. I feel like it's just a matter of going day by day right now. It's hard to really think and look into the future, far into the future, because everything is a lot of uncertainty, and I think a lot of us are trying to get through just the day. And so I know, I hear you. I totally get what you guys are going through. I'm going through it too. I suffer from anxiety, so it's definitely a real thing. What I don't suggest you do is stress shop, because then it'll end up like how what I did. It's not something that these are not all things that I needed. Maybe the tanning cream for me to be able to keep up my tan, but essentially these are not all things that I've needed from Sephora. They were just kind of impulse buys, and I feel like here and there I will have those moments of impulse buying just because we got nothing to do here. There's, we're trying to stay busy as much as we possibly can, and that's just how we're trying to manage. If I do make another order to Skinz, I will let you guys know. I will unbox it with you and show you guys. But for the most part, I'm quite happy with their products. So surprise, surprise, because I'm very usually critical with the Kardashian products that come out. Kylie Jenner, when she first came out with her cosmetic line, her lip kits were like the newest and greatest thing. I still use her lip kits and they still work, but you have to be careful not to overuse them in one shot because they can get crusty and stuff on your lips. So, I'm very critical when it comes to products from them because, it's like they slap their name on something and it just explodes because they are Kardashian Jenner. So, you know what? I was quite pleased with the Skinz products. I have to say, I have to give it to Kim. She really did a nice job, and I'm really impressed considering, a lot of the times when you buy from people like that, you are just you get scammed. I feel like you get scammed. So, I was really impressed and happy with the outcome and the quality of the products that I've so far gotten from Skinz to date. I am not going to show the bodysuit. The bodysuit's not even here right now. It's at my other house. But I don't think I'll show the bodysuit because it's like a very low plunged type of bodysuit, and in the back it's like a thong, so kind of high, like it shows your butt cheeks. And I ain't about that life on YouTube. Like, I won't show that on YouTube. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I'm too uncomfortable. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? All I know is that I did some unboxing with you guys today. I hope I distracted you for 20 minutes or so, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget, there is a silver lining to any situation, and we will get out of this as a world, because the entire world is going through this. It's not just the States, it's not just Canada, it's not just Europe, it's not just Asia, it's not just Africa, it's the entire world. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy the good weather that's coming out. You know, you may not be able to go to the local, beach or whatever, but, step a moment outside in front of your door and just take in a big deep breath and sit in your backyard and just kind of, enjoy the sunlight, because that's what we really need right now. I don't know what I'm still gonna be I still have pre-recorded videos posted for Fridays, right up until May, so you'll still get a video from me every week, but these are just extra little ones that I'm adding in the beginning of the week, so that you guys have another extra video to use and watch and, get distracted by during the time that we're going through. So yeah. And for those of you wondering, I'm actually filming in my beauty room at my boyfriend's house. It's not even done yet. They have to paint. It's a shit show here, but I'll take what I can get until we get things up and running, right? So thank you so much for joining. Have you guys a great day and a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not. I do have a giveaway planned. I was going to do it for spring. Right now with the pandemic, I don't think it's a good idea for me to really do it right now. So I'm going to wait a little longer and maybe do it in the summer instead, and give you guys a really nice giveaway. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.